I'm Peter, and this is the Plixer Lightboard series. Back in 2012, right on the cusp of cloud adoption, Plixer realized that organizations would probably need a few more collectors for all of the virtual servers, virtual switches, virtual routers, and other hybrid appliances in their hybrid infrastructure. And so back then, they designed and developed the Plixer Replicator. So how does this all work? So over here we got, these would be your application servers, and to a collector, these generally send stuff like syslog. And then we got our firewalls and other security appliances. These oftentimes look like brick walls, so we'll kind of do that here. And these will send like NetFlow, IPFIX, SFlow, etc. And then we have all of our switches, routers, etc. And those would be sending like NetFlow, IPFIX, etc. Now, a lot of these devices can only send to one collector, maybe two if you're lucky. So as you have to add or maneuver collectors, it can take a lot to reconfigure these devices to add a secondary device. Not to mention, at the time, they realized that NetFlow could have a lot of security information contained in those flows from these devices. So instead of the collector here, all you need to do is put in the Plixer Replicator. And so this is basically a packet broker. Is it CKER, KER, or in the most simplest terms, a UDP replicator. And so what it does is, so these devices will simply send their flow traffic, their flow data to the Plixer Replicator. And then from here, what Replicator will do is literally replicate the traffic. So this might be your SIEM. These always look like shields. Let's put a crown on it. And so this guy would be getting like NetFlow, IPFIX, syslog, etc. to your security apparatus. Right over here, you would get, again, NetFlow, IPFIX, etc. This would be your Plixer One powered by Scrutinizer. So all of the network information and data. And then down here could just be your legacy collector, just, UDP traffic and such. And so what it does is it'll just get the data, forward it on. It'll keep the source address, the source IP from any of these devices, so that these various collectors and visibility, observability, defense kind tools will know what's going on this side of the picture. And Replicator, it takes it all in and then passes it on. Now you can also kind of load balance devices over here. Say if you want another Plixer One over here. So it's a single spot to manage all of these data flows. You don't have to reconfigure any of these devices, real or virtual. On this side, it kind of saves on both bandwidth and storage because this can be intelligent on how it sends the traffic moving along. So you get full visibility and observability of your entire hybrid infrastructure with your Plixer Replicator. And doing all this obviously can help you reduce your mean time to recovery or repair, or there's one other R that I can't remember. If you'd like to learn more about Plixer Replicator, you can visit plixer.com, and it's just /products/replicator. I am Peter. Always sign your work. If you like videos like this, Lightboards, hit that like, subscribe, share with an engineer if someone is struggling with capturing their UDP data into collectors. And thanks for watching. Aloha.